Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Yijie. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about a question about the concentration problem. Now, let's have a look. So we said that the concentration of alcohol in bottle A is 70% and the concentration of alcohol in bottle B is 60%. If we mix the two bottles of solution directly, the resulting concentration is 66%. If we remove 5 liters from each bottle and then mix the remaining solution, the resulting concentration is 66.25%. How many liters of solution were originally in bottle A and bottle B combined together? So everyone, in this question right here, how do we solve this? Any idea? We say that when we are mixing a solution, what is a method that we can try to use? We say that we can try to use the cross method. So in this question right here, first thing first, we try to combine bottle A and bottle B. Each of them, they are 70% and 60%. And we say that when we mix them together, the result that we get, it is actually 66%, right? So we just have to use the cross method and to find out the difference here. So the first one, when we try to use 70 minus 66, we will get that it is 4%. The next part, we have 66 minus 60%, we have 6%. So now that we have found out the two differences right here, find the ratio. So you can see that if we simplify it, the ratio will just be 3 to 2. But in this question right here, do we have any information about the weight, or we say the liter of bottle A and bottle B? Oh, we don't have any. This is what we are trying to find. Okay, everyone. Now, we said that there is actually the second situation. We said that we remove 5 liters and then we mix them together. It is 66.25%. Now, everyone, we say that remove 5 liters. Is there any changes to the percentage of the 70% bottle A and 60% bottle B right here? Is there any changes? So actually, it doesn't change. Everyone, you can imagine when you drink a bottle of milk tea, maybe. So if you drink half of it, does it change the percentage? Right? The percentage doesn't change. So we say that it is still 70%, 60%. So the same thing. We mix them together, the result is 66.25%. Again, try to find the difference. So the first one, if you calculate the difference, it is 3.75%. The next one, if you calculate, it is 6.25%. So we also try to find the ratio between them. Okay, so we just have to try to simplify this. Eventually, you will find that the ratio will be 5 to 3. Again, everyone, do you have any information about the weight of the bottle A and bottle B? It seems like we do not know anything about it. We only know that we remove 5 liters. How do we want to solve this question? F1. Actually, this kind of question, now that we have found out the two ratio of A and B, this is actually just the ratio changing problem. We can solve this question using the method for the ratio changing problem. F1. First thing first, we say that A to be the ratio. Before we remove the 5 liters, it is 3 to 2. And then we say that each of them will remove 5 liters. When we mix them together, the ratio of A and B, it is 5 to 3. Everyone, now in this question right here, the ratio changing problem. Now there is one question right here. Is the value of 1 unit here the same? Are they the same? Everyone. So actually very obvious it is not the same. We say that we minus 5 minus 5. But the ratio increases for two of them. So definitely we say that the unit here, it is not the same. So we need to try to unify the unit. But now in this question, if we try to unify the unit, we have to find something that is remain unchanged. Everyone, in this question right here, what is something that remain unchanged? Everyone, we say that if both of them, they minus by 5 liters, the difference is actually unchanged. So everyone, the first one, 3 to 2, the difference is 1 unit, and the second one is 2 units. So we say that when both of them, they minus with the same number, the 5 liters, the difference will not be change. So over here, you need to make sure that the 2 units here, they are unified. So 1 unit here, you also need to make it to become 2 units. So what do we do? So we just have to simply multiply by 2. So we'll get the new ratio of A to B, which is 6 to 4. And we say that both of them minus by 5 little, the result will be 5 to 3. Everyone, you can see that the ratio now makes sense. 6 become 5, 4 become 3, each of them minus 5 little. Now the question is, what is 1 unit? So 1 unit is just equal to 5 little. Since now that we know what is 1 unit, everyone, we want to find what is A and B combined together, which is this part. How many units in total? So to find out what is A and B, you just sum them together, 6 units plus 4 units, multiplied by 5. You will get that the answer is 50 little. And this is our final answer. So everyone, what do we learn from this question? Again, very, very important. When we are solving the problem of missing 2 solutions, what is the method that we use? We have to use the cross method. And then the second thing, for this kind of what we so-called the ratio changing problem, you need to find something that is unchanged. And in this question, what is something that is unchanged? We say that when 2 of them, they are subtracting by the same number, different, it is unchanged. Alright, everyone? So now you can try to do this practice question and you can leave your answer at the comment section below. So you may join our WhatsApp group for more information about our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.